So, hello, good day, guys. Yes, hello from Bali, Indonesia. My dad, very nice, bought me this small vlogging style camera. So, let's start the vlogging journey. That's my dad there. He comes visit me for Christmas and New Year, and he bought me as a Christmas present this camera. Thank you, father. So, the plan today is the 31st, right?
Yes.
This is Johanna.
Hi.
I think you know her from the other videos.
Of course.
New Year, last day of 2022. We are heading straight to 2023, and before this year ends,
We go to the ice cream shop.
we eat some ice. So yeah, and then let's see what happens later. A mini flip flop, super cool. Okay, let's go. Gelato is sweet, so am I. Yeah, yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, I just take one, yeah? I think I go in cookies and cream.
Do you need a cup or one?
Cup. Small. Yeah.
Why
Thank you.
don't you use Oreo?
Oreo? Oh yeah. No, it's okay now.
There were so many.
Cookies and cream is good.
And that's very close to it.
Cookies and cream.
See, Anna, last time I put the tiramisu inside and chocolate on top. Now it's a lady, you see?
She makes
She
better.
She put the chocolate down.
Ah. Thank you, makasih.
We are not finished.
We are not finished. Oh, I have to pay. Shit.
No. We come here to take ice cream home.
Oh yeah, but let's eat first before we take ice cream home. So, cookies and cream. Good, huh? Yeah. Very good.
Inside the bike.
I think we should go this way now.
Yeah, why?
Because of traffic, look.
Oh yeah. So amazing, no? The traffic in Bali is crazy at the moment. Okay, Papa, you walk?
I walk.
Bye.
See you in an hour's time.
Yeah, okay. Oh, whoa. Papa, go vlogging. So, traffic in Bali is so crazy right now. I don't recommend coming New Year or Christmas time. I try to film the traffic a little bit so you guys can see it. There's Johanna. So, let's go to the laundry quick. Visit you the best laundry in Bali. Showing you. We make a vlog today. Okay, halo Sekunda. Apa kabar? Oh, baik. Ini best laundry in Bali, right?
Yes.
But have no name. Just come to Jalan apa?
Jalan Rupade.
Jalan Rupadi, yes. In Seminyak. You will find the best laundry here. Always ask for Sekunda, yeah? Not for Johanna, for Sekunda.
Me too.
No, go away.
They make here.
Di sini?
Yeah.
Here party?
Yes.
In the laundry?
Yeah.
With grill?
No, they eat already at home now.
Oh.
Kalian makan di sini apa di rumah? Bentar lah. Here, they want to make music here.
Music here. And
Oh. Ini sayang.
what? Oh shit! Want to make party here?
Karaoke juga.
Boombox ya? Boom
You want
boom
to
boom.
party?
Wow. It's loud, eh? Discotheque. Disco.
Nyala nih. Okay.
So she come here for New Year.
Later they make it.
Okay.
We go to the beach with them together.
To Kuta
No,
or the
no,
same
here.
beach
Yeah.
later.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So
see you later.
see you later. See you tonight. Bye. Bye bye. Have a good day. Da. Happy New Year. Soon. Very funny. So today party at the laundry, as it seems. We didn't have book anything, but because it's just too full and I'm not fond of fancy parties. But let's see. We will come here and then just go to the beach. So back home. So, home. It was the first vlogging trial. And not sure exactly what we're gonna happen tonight. We, like I said, didn't have any bookings or so, but we will celebrate New Year together in Bali without any bookings. Going to the beach. Let's see. Okay, see you later, guys.
Hi, baby.
So we continue the vlog, right?
Yes.
With mobile phone now. This is Changu New Year. Look at them.
Oh my God! Look at this team. Firework.
Oh yeah. So what do we do?
We want to go watch fireworks.
Yeah. So we are in. Where are we?
Canggu, Batu Bolong.
Batu Bolong. Park our bikes and now go watch the fireworks, right?
And who's there? You know
Who's that?
Who's that guy? He's a Ipan Genaro.
Hey,
Are you
Peter,
good?
how are you?
We're making for.
Hello.
Hello. Ivan.
Oh yeah,
Brother.
Happy New Year.
2 weeks left.
Sorry?
You guys do
Which one is what? I make vlog, Amora. This is Amora.
Drive, but not really.
This is Rini. And this is Johanna. Very crazy. This is Ipang and Ipang in small. And this is Australian guy. And this is a pizzeria.
Sebenarnya Floridina ya, cuman tidak ada kok pas.
How much time we have left?
I don't know, let me see.
10 minutes, I think. 10 minutes, yeah. 10 minutes.
Oh my God, I think we should buy a drink inside.
Oh God, look how full it is.
I think we have to pay when we go inside. Look at this. Let me ask first. No, so we are going here. Kalau gitu Look at that, how full is that?
So full. So all the clubs want $20 entry, right?
Yes, everybody doing that right now. It's more
So-
and more expensive now after
Yeah.
Corona.
But we are cheap people, so we are just sneaking around to the
Yeah,
beach,
the parking space.
to the parking space beach. But it's crazy full.
Fence. We walk to the fence. The guy gets laser.
We just go that way to the beach. 5 minutes left. Didn't we celebrate one New Year here before?
Oh, let's go down.
Gimana? Sayang. Woi.
here.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, sit down. Oh, no focus. Yay! Somewhere at the beach because everything's... Where? Aduh, nice.
I want to cry.
You didn't cry. Don't care. I don't care if you want to cry. Why you want to cry?
I don't know. Every time something I want to.
Why she want to cry?
No, I don't cry. I'm so happy.
So happy, yeah.
Let me finish my vodka before 2023.
Yeah. Those girls. You okay? Oh, it's already time?
Sayang we to make video.
What do we do?
Oh,
I think it's New Year already.
yeah.
Hey, it's New Year already. Hey, Happy New Year. Nobody's counting anything. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Nobody said Happy New Year yet.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Why? You always want to cry. Oi. Oi. Happy New Year. Got you. Happy New Year then. 2023. Happy New Year. See you. Bye bye. Geh weiter. Happy New Year traffic. You sure we can get somewhere?
Yeah, of course. Let's go just go straight.
Shit, look at this. Sekunda. Music di mana? Oh iya, selamat tahun baru. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. What's happening?
You want to cry?
Oh. Fight? I don't know. They want to fight. About what? Don't know. New Year at the laundry. Yeah, Happy New Year.